All right, so here we have our math paper. This is our guided practice, lesson 118. All right, hopefully you watch the instruction video. It'll really help you out to learn what we're talking about in number 2. If you did not watch the video, I recommend that you do watch that video, okay? Because it's going to teach you a lot on how and why we're doing this. Okay, so the first thing we have, the first question is how many days are in 4 years? So you have to be thinking about this, all right? You have to know how many days are in a year. But first of all, we're going to put 4 here, okay? Because they're asking 4 years. That's where we get 4 from. And now you have to think, well, how many days are in 4 years? So you have 365 days in a normal year, correct? So we put 365. But then you have that leap year and you get that extra day, right? So we're going to put +1 because of that leap year that happens every 4 years. You got to remember that. All right. Okay, so now we have to figure out, well, what in the world, what is this answer? Okay, so we're going to go ahead. First of all, we're going to multiply 365 times 4. Let's start with that. Okay, so you have 5 times 4 is 20, and you carry that 10. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 2, 24, 25, 26. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2, 12, 13, 14. But we're not done yet because we still have to add that +1. Okay, so our final answer is going to be 1,461 days. Okay, now here we go, the associative property. It says find the products. Remember, in the video, we talked about those parentheses. The parentheses say start here. So we will. So we have 7 plus 1 is 8 times 3. The answer is 24. Here, remember how we talked about when you have multiplication all the way through? It doesn't matter where you start. You can start with 2 times 4. You can start with 4 times 7. Okay? Well, I'm going to go ahead and start with 2 times 4, and that is 8. And then 8 times 7 is 56. But you can start with 7 times 4. You should get the same answer because it's all multiplication. Now we have this problem. Okay, now we're going to multiply 6 times 4. Carry that 10. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is 44. 6 times 3 is 18. And plus 4 is 22. That's 2,244. All right, it says draw 9 candies. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It says circle 1/3 of the candies. So 1/3 of the candies. So we're going to circle one group of 3. Then it says, okay, so 1/3 of 9 is 3 because we circled 3. Mr. Holworth has 16 pencils. If he gives each child 2 pencils, how many children will get pencils? Okay, so this is a division problem, okay? Because he has 16 of these, and he's going to give each child 2. We're not going to subtract that. We're going to divide. 16 divided by 2. How many children will get pencils? And the answer is 8. 8 children. Okay, so it says circle the picture that matches what we just did. So if we look at our pictures here, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pencils here. And looks like there's 4 and 4. There's 16, and there's 16 here. They all have 16, but which one matches what we just did? Okay, we knew that he gave 2 to each child. So which picture shows that he gave 2 to each child? If you wanted this one, you're right. Okay, so we need to circle that because this is showing us that he had 16 pencils. He gave 2 to each kid, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8. There's 8 left. Okay, now it says draw what the number 4 would look like when it's rotated. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we look at the point of the 4, and wow, this is going to be fun. Okay, so this 4, I'm going to draw a straight line first. Okay, it's going to be sideways. And then upside down. Then, there you go. Okay, so that's what it should look like. What is the place value of the 6 in 690? The place value is hundreds. So we write the word hundreds. What is a digit in the tens place in the number 573? It is 7. What is the value of the 5 in 251? The value is not tens, the value is 50. Because there's 5 tens, that would be 50. Okay, you guys, make sure you do the other side, turn that in, plus your fact homework. See you later.